Model, 69-plate Ford Transit 350-litre Ecoblue 2.0 TDCI non-runner timing belt snapped. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 103,192. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Ecoblue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, fridge. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,225 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.